Jennifer, imagination and creativity are indeed important factors when it comes to problem-solving techniques. How we think, as well as how our mind absorbs the world around it, influences the way in which we approach issues in life.
As individuals, we each think differently from one another, although similar thought patterns can be seen as evidence on how we come together as a society.
As mentioned in your post, imagination becomes ideas that then becomes innovation. We must always find a way to solve problems in a way that we can comprehend from our own point of view. The example in which you illustrated the successful application of creativity and innovation within your class is a prime example of how we can use these techniques to not only help us, but also to help others around us. Not everyone has the ease of using creativity as easy as flipping a light switch, so it becomes important for us to help others discover a new way to learn and to understand a different way of comprehending issues in life.
Growing up, I went to a total of 15 schools, 3 of which was in the 10th grade alone. In each of those schools, I always noticed that every teacher, but not all, followed a common method of simply teaching by a book and generic lesson plan. Most probably did not realize that this was not a good way to capture some students' attention, but perhaps it is what they had learned or had only known. However, those teachers who taught class differently often found their students participating more often. They taught the class in such a way that they made the lessons come alive and made us feel that we could learn anything. These teachers also often noticed which students were at a higher level than their fellow students, so they would find new ways to challenge them while balancing out the needs of the others in the classroom.
In our studies here at Ashford University, especially within this class and our Honors 480 Creativity in the 21st Century class, we have learned just how important it is to set ourselves apart in our way of thinking and how best to utilize our creativity. Using creativity as a tool to improve our way of approaching problems in life and how to solve them uniquely allows us to not only build confidence in ourselves, but also allows us to pass on our examples so as to hopefully inspire others to find their own creative paths in return. This is just one reason that I decided to respond in a different manner when it came time to respond to your discussion post. Creativity can be used in so many different manners, but it is how we handle issues with those problem-solving abilities that help differentiate ourselves from other people.